I have discovered AiSensy on the Google search. After going through the website and the features offered, I got a feel that AiSensy is really going to be more helpful to keep up the customer satisfaction levels at par. And we want to be in association with good organizations like AiSensy. Hi, my name is Jagannath Sharma. I'm Vice President, Lead Management in TMR Infra Pvt Ltd. Ours is a real estate company. We are there in the market for the last 18 years and we have completed many projects to the satisfaction of the customers, whomever we have catered to. When it comes to AiSensy, earlier my media partners or the advertising agency, they have roped in Vati and somehow I was not that comfortable in using that. I feel that there are certain limitations and hence that usage has been dropped off using the Vati platform. And later on I have discovered AiSensy on the Google search, and after going through the website and the features offered, I got a feel that AiSensy is really going to be more helpful to keep up the customer satisfaction levels at par. See, end of the day, any customer will be happy to receive the right communication, the transparent communication, as well as the a clearer and crisp, timely communication always gives back a good result. I have 30 plus years of the experience in multiple domains, out of which around 12 years I've been with Tata Group, Tata Telecommunications or Tata Teleservices. And one thing what I have learned there is that never go back or never leave a stone unturned with respect to the customer service is concerned. And based out of this principle, I have always been on the lookout for giving a better service to the customer always, where and all possible. And I'm sure we have brought many laurels to the company till now, and we want to be in association with good organizations like AiSensy and also a couple of other organizations technically using the applications offered by them. And this is really has helped me in taking it forward. Now the multiple features like the canned messages and then the retargeting and the dialogue flow kind of options offered through AiSensy, I feel really they are good to go. And with respect to the customer care or the onboarding support is concerned, I really have to appreciate Kamlakshi for her patience and the consistent follow-up time and again. Even maybe sometimes I keep disturbing at 9 o'clock in the night, and there was always a good positive feedback, and she was always helpful in sending out the messages patiently. And with that, I conclude for the feedback for today. And I'm really happy to be on board of AiSensy's WhatsApp Business API platform. Thank you.